I think I'm ready to get out of Del Rio.
Okay, there you go.
Let's go to San Antonio. A dryer at the Lonesome Dove RV Park ate my quarters. I got screwed out of my French onion soup at Applebee's.
You had a bad stay-over.
I did. I don't ever want to go to Del Rio, Texas again.
Plus it's 27 degrees.
Plus it's only 27 degrees in Del Rio, Texas. Yeah. Let's go to San Antonio. Let's go to the Alamo. Remember the Alamo? Let's go to the San Antonio Boardwalk, or the San Antonio Riverwalk too. That sounds good. We'll take Riker for a walk on the Riverwalk. It's supposed to be really pretty.
It's probably frozen over.
It is. Probably go ice skating on the Riverwalk today in San Antonio. So join us for another SqWatch Dog adventure. Hopefully it'll be a good one. Hey, let's go to the Alamo. So we are in San Antonio, so we decided we're going to take a walk along the Riverwalk, the famous Riverwalk in downtown San Antonio. My mouth is frozen though. It's like 30 degrees here in Texas today.
There's a duck.
During this topic, folks, I'd like to say thank you to any military and local
We're on Crockett Street. Davy Crockett. Wild Frontier. Look at all the wool blankets that they put out to keep people warm in this cold weather. I don't know. Under the bridge. There's a bunch of boats down the river. The sign says, to Alamo Plaza. So I guess this is the way we're gonna go. Check it out. Before the Alamo was fortified, it was actually a Mission San Antonio de Valero. Back in the early 1700s, a group of Spanish friars came over and tried to spread religion to some of the Native Americans who were in this area. So this is the famous Alamo. This is where the battle took place. Texans were trying to start their own republic.
Anyone raising arms against the Mexican government will be put to death. So that's going to lead the clash of the Battle of the Alamo on March 6, 1836.
And during the battle, the people who were here, like Davy Crockett and a bunch of other people, were battling and lost their lives. It was basically a slaughter, and those who surrendered were also executed.
They were executed, yes, ma'am. Yeah, so because that's the order that Santa Anna put out. Anyone raising arms against the Mexican government will be considered pirates. It's treason, and so they will be executed.
So the next Texians were like, remember the Alamo.
That was a rallying cry, especially to get people rallied up.
Davy Crockett, king of the wild frontier. That's him. We're gonna go inside the church, the Alamo building.
She does.
Well, I'm hungry. Let's go get something to eat. So we're eating at the original Mexican restaurant down on the Riverwalk. And what was it we ordered? The tacos del Capon?
Something like that.
Oh my gosh, they're so good. So good. Tacos del Capon. Yummy. Well, San Antonio was pretty cool. I'm glad we stopped there.
Yeah.
I liked the Riverwalk. I liked the Alamo. There's great history there. It's just kind of a cool town.
It was a good quick stop.
It was, but we got to continue east to make our way to Florida, which is our destination. So it's cold here, though. Oh my gosh, 27 degrees. That was nuts. weather heats up so that I can put my shorts back on. But let's make our way to Houston, shall we? So we're getting closer to Houston. There's a lot more trees. It's a lot more green here. There's also a lot more road work. So here's where we're gonna stay tonight. Stephen F. Austin State Park, just outside of Houston. Look how green the grass is. This is the first time I've seen green grass like this in a long time. Ooh, there goes a little possum. Bye, little possum. There are quite a few people here. There goes a deer. Fast deer.
Fast. That was.
Whoa, watch out for that one.
That was like the one at last night.
So it looks like this is going to be our home for the night right here. Site number 59. You guys are so cute back here together. Well, it sounds like maybe we're going to go to Galveston possibly tomorrow for Mardi Gras. Yeah. That'd be fun. Let's do it. Well, I want to watch the movie The Alamo with John Wayne since we were at the Alamo today. Want to watch the movie?
Sure.
All right. Well, we hope you enjoyed our video. If you did, like and subscribe. It would mean a lot. But in the meantime, happy trails.